How to fix game bar recording error 0x82323619. In this video I will show you how to fix the problem. Running this troubleshooter can help resolve issues related to the Xbox game bar. In search type Fix Store.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Insufficient storage space in the captures folder can cause the 0x82323619 error. Freeing up space ensures the game bar can save new recordings. Check for available space and delete unnecessary files if needed. Restart game bar and try recording again.
if that didn't work,
Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.